Good morning, children. Open your EVS book. Lesson 9. Lesson name is Our Surroundings. What are our surroundings? Things that are around us those are our surroundings. You can see here is a picture, and in this picture you can see birds are here, sun, hill, animals. You can see, and here you will write names of these things, just like birds, sun, horse, things that you can see in this picture. You will write here, write their names. Now read with me. Say after me. Everything around us, like air, water, land, etc., are a part of our surroundings. We depend on them to fulfill our various needs like food, shelter, etc. Thus, we must take care of our surroundings and keep it neat and clean to live a healthy life. Children, we should keep our surrounding neat and clean, then we will be healthy and we will live long life. Here you will know what should you do and what should you not do for your surrounding to protect your surroundings. We must do the following things to take care of our surroundings. What should we do? Now listen carefully. Plant more trees. Trees help in maintaining balance in the environment. They keep the air fresh and clean. Children, to protect our surroundings, we should plant more trees. In this way, our surroundings will be in balance. And then, as you know, we get oxygen from trees. When we will plant more trees, it will be give us lot of oxygen, and then it will be help us to live healthy. Use water and electricity judiciously. Always switch off the fans and lights when not in use. Also try to save water as much as possible. Children, we should save water, we should save electricity. If it is not in use, we should switch off the fans and lights. Save paper by writing on both sides. Children, we should save paper also. We should not waste it. We should write both sides on the page. Paper is made by using the wood of trees. So a large number of trees are cut to produce paper. Children, to make paper, we cut lot of trees. So we should not waste paper. Double the page. Use cloth or jute bags instead of plastic bags as they are eco-friendly. As you know, jute bags are eco-friendly. It will keep our surroundings clean. So we should not use plastic bags to keep our surrounding clean. Try to reuse things. Old clothes and shoes can be donated to the needy ones instead of disposing of in the surroundings. We should not throw our old shoes, clothes. We should give it to a needy person. In this way, we will keep our surroundings clean and that old things will be in use. Throw waste in covered garbage bins. Open garbage bins attract flies, which leads to many diseases like diarrhea, typhoid, etc. Also keep the drains covered. Children, we should use always covered garbage bins. We should throw waste in covered garbage bins, because if it will open, it will attract flies that will increase diseases just like diarrhea, typhoid. So we should always keep our garbage bin covered. Apart from these, there are certain things that make our surroundings unfit and unhealthy, such as, children, you can see some pictures are given here. It is not good. You can see dumping of waste on road, standing water, mess by the pets on roads. These activities are not good for our surrounding. We should not do this. It is very bad habit. So we should stop these activities and contribute towards making our surrounding clean and green. Children, you have read the lesson and you have learned, you have listened number of things. You will follow it. In this way we will keep our surrounding clean. Thank you.